So first thing you do is go boom, boom. All right. We are live. Hey, Eric Stromquist at
Okay.
Control Trends here at Haystack Connect. Man, I'm here with Martin, man, from Global 5 Control. This is such cool stuff. Martin, man, tell the community a little bit about your company and what you guys do.
Okay. Hi. Yeah, we Global Control 5 is a Polish company. We're focusing on delivering the solution for automating building based around the Niagara framework, and we are Polish manufacturer of the hardware as well. So today, what we're gonna have represent, what we're gonna show the Mach 36. This is our new baby powered by Niagara, and as well Haystack with the Haystack functionality on it. So
Yeah,
yeah.
well, cool. Hang on one second, buddy. See, you had your integrator was one of the integrators, one integrator of the year at the Control Trends Awards this year. Tell our community a little bit about your customer.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's one of our system integrator in Poland. So yeah, we're glad that they won this control trend, and yeah, that's it.
Cool. All right, well, let's take a look at some of your product here. Hang on one second. We
Yeah,
change the camera around here.
okay.
Boom, there it is. There's
Okay.
that bad boy right there.
Yeah, so that's Mach 36A. It's a master application controller. It's powered by Niagara framework, as you can see here. So it's Niagara 4.6, 4.7 available right now. It's got 36 inputs and outputs on the board. Has got RS-485 here, and as well there's option with another RS-485 on the bottom. Two IP interfaces, independent, and the unique function which we want to show you right now is a HDMI built in with the USB, which control the touch of the display. So basically,
Nice.
it's like this is our new graphic package as well. So that's available. That comes with the Mac. That's something new which is just released. So
Beautiful.
yeah, so the idea was to create the hardware which is going to be driven Niagara, but as well we want to, because it's a Linux based product. We said, okay, why not to give it a little bit more and have a two processor. One is taking care of the Niagara, and the second one is with the GPU built in, which basically allows you to display the graphic using the standard display. This is not the panel PC, okay? This is very important. This is not the panel PC. This is the display. So it gets all the data you see here through the standard HDMI cable.
Right. Which is what you hook your TV and stuff like that up
Yeah,
with.
exactly. So of course we've got in our offer we've got the special panels which are IP65 waterproof for the industrial, but if you really want a bigger one, you can buy any TV
Yeah.
in the shop, connected, and that will display the graphic. Okay. So the advantage is not just price, because that doesn't have to be the panel PC, but as well from the maintenance point of view, or setting up the system, is everything which control the display. It sits in the
Right
Mach
there.
36. It sits in the station. We did create the HDMI service under the Niagara. So under the service, you can even enable the auto logging function. So wherever the power cycle goes, the system will automatically log into the web browser, and the display will show us the right graphic under the navigation.
Very cool. Seamless.
Yeah, that's there.
Cool.
So imagine you've got hundreds of sites. You don't have to go and set up this panel. The settings for the panel comes from the
Right there.
Mach 36, and that's part of the station, which is standard station in Niagara. So you can change all the settings. For example, we do support the screen server, so you can change the graphic for the screen server, for example, remotely through the workbench.
Very cool.
So that's
Very
how
cool.
it works. So.
But you got a whole line of products here, right? So
Okay,
let's
yeah.
walk us through a little bit what you got here.
Yeah, okay, so we are OEM partner of Tritium, because our solution is based on around the Niagara. So that's the old Jace, I think it's a 300, I
Yep.
believe. And then this is like our IO modules, a wireless module that are not here there on the table. Then what we've got here, this is our new range of the controllers. This controller is going to be available end of Q3, beginning of Q4. This is a new IP baby. They designed it for being in a Funko unit or small application. I mean, like Edge, we call it Edge. Microcontroller is going to be driven by a new Edge framework
Right.
ready for IoT connectivity. This is our display panel with the multi-sensor built in. So basically, it comes with a few different options you can buy. Just a temperature sensor, temperature, humidity, and CO2. So, and it's as well, it's Modbus backnet. The whole our portfolio is built around Modbus and backnet. So every single device you can buy from us is automatically Modbus and backnet enabled. Okay.
Cool. So you guys must do a lot with the industrial side too, then.
Yeah, correct.
Cool.
If you really want to do it, but in Europe, because we are from Europe, the Europe is still using a lot Modbus as well.
Right, in Dolly as well.
Yeah, DALI. So this is like a 2D, 1B. It's a dedicated controller for controlling lights, ballast, DALI ballast, plus the motor. So you can connect the motor, power up the motor, and there are two interfaces: the power supply for DALI, and that's you've got the DALI ballast as well here, the DALI communication interfaces. So and this is Modbus as well. So you can connect to any system. In that, we try to build open portfolio. So of course the system works together really seamlessly. But if you really wanted to use it with another system, that's open because it's okay. On the left hand side we've got it as well here. The J6000, the OEM the J1000. This is those two the controllers, RS-45 controllers dedicated for fan call units with preloaded application, and as well they are powered by Sedona. So it's very powerful. Sedona is powerful. Whatever knows Sedona is familiar. We can change the application through the USB, so you can connect the little laptop and you can change the application. But it comes from the factory with the preloaded application. And what you can do, you have a dip switches here. You see 8 dip switches,
Yes.
config dip switches. So by adjusting the dip switches, you adjust the application, preloaded application. So
You don't,
majority
you don't even
project-
need a computer if you don't want, right?
yeah. So you don't need it. Exactly. That was the idea. But it's a fully programmable controller with the 18 inputs on board. So if you don't like our application doesn't suit to the solution,
Yeah.
then you can always change the application and reload it through USB or even through RS-45, like a massive. We've got special tools so you can load it into
So
that.
best of both worlds. It's configurable.
Yeah.
If you
Yeah,
want it with
configurable.
dip switches, but if you want to change the program, you can completely
Fully
change
program it. You can, and
Nice.
it's Sedona driven, so
Nice.
so you know it. So there are the Funko and they are the DALI and the Blind, so you know them. And this is like a huge. We've got huge range of iOS modules. This is like our Mix 18 IP. Okay, let me just show you something. Okay, so this is our IP module. Okay, has got built-in switch. So this is one physical interface, but with a switch function built in, so you can go in and go out.
Yeah.
But the unique, and it's a Modbus BACnet protocol built in, has got 18 inputs outputs, so has got that one has got 5 universal input, 5 digital inputs, 4 analog outputs and 4 digital output. But the unique function we've got in is because it's IP, has got as well RS-45. So in Modbus mode, it works as a gateway. So
Nice.
so you can reach that module through the IP, okay, Modbus. But if you got it connected like here, you see, this is like an example. So if you got like IP connectivity in a cabinet, but you've got more than 18 points, you can buy a standard RS-45 device like this one and link them through RS-45, but the message will come from IP.
Very cool.
Okay.
Very cool.
So that's something. And let me show you something just there. Just grab the screwdriver.
Okay. Oops.
So there, we always try to make the stuff which is very easy to set up. So instead of using, of course, you can always use the laptop and the software. So the way you change the communication protocol is by the dip switch. So dip switch number 4, if I'm gonna bring up, it's more BACnet. So now it's BACnet. So it's BACnet device. If I want to be Modbus, then I put it down and it's Modbus.
Nice.
So you don't have, there's no dedicated part number for Modbus or BACnet. Everything is in one box.
So as a distributor, you got to love that, or
Yeah,
an
yeah.
integrator. You keep one of these on your truck, and you're good to go.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
this is our mixer. Yes. And we've got an 18. And on that side, you can see there's a big range of mini series. They are very small I/O modules, same Modbus and BACnet, exactly same functionality with hand override switches as well. So exactly same. If I'm open this,
Targets we use for
let me just
targets for like systems.
screwdrivers. It's a big. So it's exactly same, yeah. So I can change the protocol by the dip switch. Okay.
Very cool.
Same functionality, and we've got 7 different types of those. Plus we've got it 7 different types in IP versions. So if you look at the that one here, so that's IP. So it's exactly same. So
Nice.
comes the IP, and then message goes through RS-45, so we can expand up to 100 modules. Okay, so you can build very big I/O island. So it's gonna solve.
Very, very cool.
And on the left here, we've got Mac 36, which we already discussed, that one there. And that one here is AC20s, Advanced Application Controller, driven by Sedona. Very powerful as well.
again, well done. That's Martin from Global Control 5 out of Poland. And so, dude, man, I've never been to Poland before. I hear it's one of the most beautiful countries on the planet.
Yeah. You're welcome to come to Poland. Yeah, so it's the weather over here is a little bit better than in Poland, but now it's summertime, so it should be fine. Yeah.
Nice, nice.
Okay.
So, is it Control Code that is the point of contact here in the States for you guys?
Yeah, correct. If you